it's a sparrow. Oh, it's the same as Japan. Japanese sparrow. Wow, is it okay? But nothing on the plate. So maybe you don't realize this view is very beautiful.
Of course I do.
Okay. I have so many Serbian friends on Facebook, and Serbia is inside. They have no sea, so they love sea. And of course, my address, Japanese address, have Amagasaki Bay, but not this like. It's a kind of industrial area. So just a big ship, and so I cannot go to the sea. Perfect. Yeah, travel is very good. So I can relax. No worry about the work. No worries about the bill. And my shop, McDonald's shop, and everybody can apply for our shop, McDonald's restaurant. And foreigners, Indonesians, Indians, and maybe I never met a Filipina, but Indonesians and Pakistani or Nepali and Japanese old guy, old lady. But it's very difficult for them because the job is too hard for them. And of course, so 70s old lady come to McDonald's to work as a waitress, but too busy. Yeah. I'm very sorry for them, but it's very hard for them to work in McDonald's. Or how can I say, service counter, and so waitress brings the plate for the customer, brings the plate for the customer. The peak time, morning time or lunch time, or maybe the train come or bus arrive. This moment, the plate. Yeah, and the customer have not so much time because morning and before they're going to work. So they are hurrying. And it's so many plates, and sometimes it's heavy. So of course, when I deliver in a shop, it's 2 plates. But sometimes it's very heavy for 70s ladies. So one by one, impossible to this long plate. Yeah. So maybe 2 or 3 months, they quit. Yeah. Everywhere, anywhere, it is very tough to live. Even in Japan. Yeah. So my point is, yes, you told, travel is very good. People can relax, forget the work or bill or relationship. So I told you, native camp teacher sometimes crying on a lesson. Uh, and they are very hardworking and they wanna relax, but their families don't say okay. And sometimes I advise them, why not you leave from your family? Why not? But they said, I cannot leave from my family. Yeah. That's a Filipino culture. In Japan, it's easy. Okay, I will independent. So bye. It's common. It's normal. But in the Philippines, impossible. Almost.
I can leave too.
Wow.
I can leave everything. But it's hard, like if you go to another place, you need to pay for the rent, you need to pay for the bill.
Okay, of
And
course.
then you also have to support your family, so it will be like trouble.
You don't need support for your family.
I need.
That's the Filipino culture. But you help them. You will help them.
Of course, because they don't have anyone else to support.
That's the Filipino. In Japan, okay, I'll be independent. That's all. They don't send money like me. I never send money to my parents. I'm very sorry to them, of course, but I can't. But you, Filipino, send money. If it is impossible, but you send money to your family.
Yeah, because my mom will go, hello, we don't have rice anymore, we don't have... Oh.
Wow. That's the Filipina. Hey, you can ask her free iced tea.
Eh,
Excuse me.
wala kasi gali free ice tea. Salamat.
Salamat po.
Maybe if I didn't support her family, maybe I have like my savings and I can travel everywhere. I don't have savings.
You have family. You have cousins. For example, Junjun, your big brother, is he happy?
I don't know.
I think he's happy. He can do anything. He's still only 38 years old. And if he wanna go to Manila or whatever, anywhere he can go.
I don't think so.
Why?
I think he...
He's a guy, so he can sleep anywhere.
Yeah,
He
he's
can
a
work
guy.
any job.
Yeah, but I think he's not... I mean, he's very dependent. He can't be independent.
He can be independent.
Cannot. He cannot be independent.
Cannot
He's
be.
always dependent.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe he's used to it.
So now he is happy. That's nice.
I don't know if he's happy.
Okay, so you have a family, so but then sometimes you can travel. Yeah.
You can only travel if it's free.
Free, you mean no money, you mean that?
Yeah.
No need money, okay. You want to, you
When it's sunny.
Ah,
And
I understand.
sometimes, yeah, noise. Even if I want to work, and I wanted to work from morning till afternoon or evening, but I can't.
I understand. So why not go to Cebu? Like,
Because I need to pay for the rent, for the bills, and then I need to send money for my family. So like, it's the same. I
so
won't have money.
you don't need to send money. So just well,
I told you, I need. It's necessary.
okay. But maybe I'm not sure 3 or 4 or 5 years ago you were in Cebu and you work and you sent money to your family. Yeah.
Yeah. That's why until now I don't have savings.
Yeah.